What does $1,049,000 get you in Gardena, California? Let's find out. I'm here at my new listing, 15512 Ermanita. Rachel and Julie are some friends I met through Compass. They live in the Calabasas area. This is their listing. They asked me to co-list with them as part of a South Bay expert and to help them with the boots on the ground. So let's take a look. We're just coming on the market this week. It's a beautiful single family home. A lot of work was done to prepare the property for sale. The way a home is prepared is critical when you're launching a home in this market. So the landscaping was done impeccably. The exterior of the home is painted a really beautiful white. All the light fixtures redone. The home, of course, was staged. I'm a huge believer in staging. And the way the natural light, we're here right now, it's the golden hour at the time we're shooting this. You could see just how sunlight pours through the windows. A really nice, beautiful space that opens up to the kitchen that's been all updated with new countertops, new cabinets that have been painted, stainless steel appliances, a nice breakfast nook for dining. We have the LG fridge, side by side, freezer, fridge. We have the Samsung cooktop and oven, a Whirlpool microwave, and a Bosch dishwasher, and a nice stainless steel sink. The Taj Mahal looking countertops are beautiful, along with the subway backsplash. So there's two different ways to access the wing of the bedrooms. We're coming from the kitchen, and you can see lots of storage. Could be your pantry or linens. Here's bathroom number 1 and the only shower in the home. There's a shower tub with a single sink. I love herringbone tile. It's like one of my favorite design patterns. I actually have this in my own home. And the floating shelves have become very popular. Not only functional with displaying accessories, but also could use your soaps and products. So we're going to start with the primary, which is at the end of the hall. This bedroom also has tons of natural light. There's cordless blinds, so you don't have to worry about the blinds getting tangled, and room for a king-size bed. We kept one of the seller's pieces for the staging, and when they had this room, there were actually sister pieces that made it feel a lot more cluttered. So part of staging principles is less is more. It makes it feel bigger. And they have a large walk-in closet with built-ins. And I think this was a change the sellers made when they purchased the home several years ago. More storage for linens. Bedroom number 2 is staged as a bedroom with a smaller bed and a room for an office and a cute little closet space. More room for linen storage. In the 3rd bedroom, I love how the stagers use this little house frame. There's another closet with built-ins as well. So when you open this door, when I first saw the house, this door was shut. And when they opened it up, my jaw hit the floor. This space is so cool. An addition was made at some point in time. So we have our second bathroom. That's just a sink and a toilet, but with the plumbing there are creative options to add a shower tub if interested. Here's another space that could be a closet. It could be a podcast room, green screen room, Zoom room for calls. And here's the addition, which is so cool. A teen hangout space, a lounge area. You can make this a movie theater. I love the painted beams, which give it such character. And the sellers added a mini split unit. It's been quite warm out, so having AC in here will be critical. And just a fun space, which you don't always see in homes like this, especially the year it was built. And piece de resistance, we're entering the backyard. So the driveway leads to this space. You could park in the garage, but you probably wouldn't. And this is another area where you could have a fire pit. You could have kids riding bikes, roller skating. There's so many possibilities to use this space. Or you could pull in the garage as traditionally. Your washer dryer are here. And I love how the sellers added the shiplap design element, even in the garage with the epoxy flooring. And there's tons of storage, a workbench, so lots of possibilities. You could 100% make this an ADU or a guest house to have income to supplement your mortgage payment. And there's also a prep station, so if you wanted to do some outdoor cooking and have a grill, lots of possibilities. And now we're going to enter my favorite part of this house, is the backyard. Let's take a look. Just down these pavers, you will see this gorgeous patio with cafe lights strung across. The birds of paradise are insane. Gotta be at least 20 feet in the air. They have a sunshade with a lounge area, tons of plants for privacy, and even a cute little fire pit area with a white picket fence behind it. Lanterns hanging around. I could see this being a bocce ball court. You could even take the plants down and get a projector and make an outdoor movie theater. There's so many things you could do with this space. Even it comes with its own tree swing. So $1,049,000, this is what it gets you in Gardena, California. If you'd like a private showing, give me a call. I'm Melissa Pilon, here to help you make your move.